Hi, today I am going to be showing you how to divide integers, so that's positive or negative numbers. So if I say, what is 6? 6 divided by 2. Okay, so that's asking you how many groups of 2's do you have in 6. So we know that it's 3. But what about if I say, what is 6 divided by negative 2? Okay, so you have different signs now. You have positive and negative. So no sign here means it's positive. So just like multiplication, the same rules apply to division. So if you divide the same sign, so either both positive or both negative, your answer will have a positive sign. And if both your numbers have different signs, so positive divided by negatives and negative divided by positive, so your answer will have a negative sign. So let's look at 6 divided by negative 2. You have a positive 6 and a negative 2. So positive and negative, you have different signs. So that means your answer will have a negative sign. So what we do first, you divide numbers first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then worry about the sign after. So different signs, positive and negative, will give you a negative sign. So now what about if I have negative 6 divided by positive 2? Okay, so you have a negative and positive. Negative divided by positive, so they are different signs. That means your answer will have a negative sign too. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and you have negative. So what about if you have negative 6 divided by negative 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3, and you have negative divided by negative. So you have negative, negative, they have the same sign. So your answer will have a positive sign. So you leave it at 3. Let's try another example. If we have negative 18 divided by negative 2. So what's your answer for that? 18 divided by 2 is 9. Negative, negative, so we have the same sign. So that means it's positive. So your answer is positive 9. So what about if we have 3 numbers this time? So let's raise that up a little bit. So if you have, let's say, negative 40 divided by negative 2 divided by positive 4. So what's your answer? So let's answer this first and worry about the sign after. 40 divided by 2 is 20, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we know the answer here is 5. Now we're gonna think about the sign now. So you have negative divided by negative, so the same sign, your answer should be positive. And when we divide that by positive 4, so your answer will be positive 5. Okay, let's try some exercises. I want you to press the pause button and have a go at these questions. When you finish, press play again and check your answers. And these are the answers. So for number 1, you're dividing 18 divided by 2. So that should give you negative 9 because they got different signs. Negative 12 divided by negative 2 should give you positive answer. Positive 6 because they're both negative. And for number 3, so remember this sign is a sign of fraction, so it doesn't look like the ones you've done here, which are all like that, but they mean the same thing. So this is a sign of fraction, also the sign of division. So 30 divided by negative 3, so you will have a negative 10 for that because you have different signs. So 42 divided by 6 is 7, and you got the same sign. You have the same negative sign, so you should have a positive 7. So for number 5, 24 divided by 4 is positive 6. Positive 6 divided by negative 3 will give you a negative 2. So I hope you got your answers right, and thank you for watching.